continue on our lesson from where we ended yesterday. I'm Enoch Tay. I'll be your coach this day, step-by-step tutorial on how to build or how to draw a building plan. So on our last lesson, we ended at settings, how to do all your settings before you start your designing. So here I come with my Chief Architect version 12 X12. So immediately when you come to Chief Architect version 12, this is what you see. Recent files, you just click on it. So this is our continuation of lesson. Sorry, I'll have to delay this. So I'll be working on 40 by 60, so 40 by 300 will give you 12,000 millimeters, and 60 by 300 18,000. So 12,000 and 18,000, that is our total plot of land. But like we'll be working on 12,000 and 18,000. So I'll have to design within 18,000 and 12,000. So let me start with my interior wall by partitioning. Actually, the client needed 1 bedroom self-contained facility. So let me use my so 4,200. You can drag to extend your dimensions. If you are even okay, you can actually drag like this, and when you are okay with the dimensions, let's take it for instance, maybe if this is the dimension you want, you leave it there. So but I don't want that, so I want 4200. I'll have to extend here too. Then 4200. Then 4200. So let me get the area calculation of this building and see what was the total. I was looking for 12,000 and 18,000. So this is 17,420 So I'll have to reduce this to 3,600. 3,600. 3600. 3600. Because there should be a setback around the building, so you should know your calculation. You shouldn't be able to exceed. You shouldn't draw to exceed that. So now we have 15,000. We have 15,000 here. So I think the 15,000 is okay within the 18,000. So it's left with 3,000 or 2,000 something, which is quite okay. So let me look at the vertical dimension of this. Okay, so I would prefer okay, let me go with the partition wall again. Please be focused with the designing. Okay, you can pause it at any time and replay it. You can skip some of the videos if you want. So when you're applying your dimension, you just drag from the top and it will still give you the dimension. So let's look at this. I might be looking for 4,200 here. Then I might be looking for 2,100. So I can delete all this. When you click on it, you go to shift, then it will also delete. Then I can drag, you hold this portion of it, then drag it through. So then I'll have to create facilities, the porch, the washroom. So quickly I'll come to wall and maybe I'll create my or you can choose where you want your toilet and bath to be, but it's not advisable your toilet and bath will appear in your porch. It's a bad designing practice. It's a bad designing practice. There is no way that you should design your porch should have your WC or washroom. It's very, very bad. So now you can create, we have 12 by 14 here. So within the 12, let's take it for instance, your WCs should come inside. Go to interior dimension, then maybe you can actually have 900, 9,000 0,000 2050 as your washroom, and within the vertical side you can have 2000 250 as a washroom, which is also standard for a single room apartment. Yeah, you can have that. Then your porch will be open, so you should know that there are some standard you need not to leave behind when you are designing. The reason that wasn't good, or the reason that is not good for you having your toilet and bath here, because the compound of the house will be facing your WC. So in case if there are inspection chambers, then you are going to have inspection chambers in the compound of the house. So if there is a fault within the pipes, or if there is a choke within the inspection chambers here and there, it's going to be an eyesore where people will be seeing things. So don't be practicing such designs. It's very, very bad. It's unacceptable. Yeah, so you are going by this, so that you are going to have your inspection chambers behind the house at all times. And also try to join your washrooms so that in times of inspection chambers or laying pipes, it will be very simple for the plumber. So don't put the plumber in a tough situation. Consider them also when you are designing. So then I'll go to my dimension to rescale the washrooms. So we click on this wall, go by 1050, then same applies to here, 1050. Forget my English. I'm not an English student. I'm a technical student, so I believe in practical aspect. Watch and follow as I practice along. Yeah, I might not be speaking grammar. I'll be speaking technical English like that. Press here, drag this, and all those stuff. So, pardon me with my grammar, okay? I'm not an English student, but I'll be working on it while I'm also learning. Yeah, so I'm done with toilet and bath in this section, creating them in this section. So I think we are okay with that. We are okay with that. So by this we will be ending this phase also. We will be ending this phase if you were able to capture this very portion. You click, then you delete with the sign, or you use the shift sign. Yeah, so student, I will learn this lesson here and find out if we have been able to reach all the levels. Yeah, if you have actually reached all the levels. So that is how I think we will do. Let me click this. So I want to have some confirmation here. Let me look at 6,720. Let me look at this wall, the dimension of this wall. Let me cross check this. Okay, 150. Let me cross check. 150. 150. So guys, we will end our plan ground floor here. Then on my next windows, on my next lessons, we'll be adding doors and windows and foundations also. So we will actually continue with the lesson. Please kindly like, subscribe and comment. If you don't also hear me, if you have any other issue too, you can leave it at the comment section, so I will readdress those things so that you get all the lesson as you practice alongside. Thank you. Love you all.